Alright, good morning YouTube. Right here what we've got is we've got our pipes welded up. Next thing is going to be putting this collector on that we made back in the shop. This is going to go ahead and secure right here. As you notice, we have a slight gap in between these pieces. That will be filled by the pieces that we went ahead and cut out on the burn table. So these will go right inside of there, making it nice and sealed. First step is to put these in there, and that will all get TIG welded out. Once all that's TIG welded out, we'll go ahead and put that on there, and then we can work our 4-inch exhaust going to the intake of the turbo. The final step, once we get all that done up and put the 4-inch V-band on there, we're going to come out the back end of the turbo, make a sweeping 180-degree turn, bring it out here, and dump it straight out the fender. Part of that is going to be including burning out a beauty or bezel ring so that the exhaust will go out, but you don't see the chopped up edges of the fender that we're going to end up having to put a hole in. All in all, this has worked out pretty damn well. Things are looking clean. I gotta say, on my personal preference, I would have rather worked with stainless steel instead of galvanized pipe. This is cheaper. He is going to wrap all of this with a heat wrap so that it doesn't interfere with anything else. Now, the cold side, because this is the hot side, the cold side is going to come in right here. I'm not sure if you can see that. It's going to dump down here, turn, immediately going into the intercooler. From the intercooler, it's going to come out here and just plumb right on into the intake. The only real issue is going to be right in this area where we're going to have a lot of heat coming out of these pipes. I might end up fabricating a heat shield right here because the intake pipe is going to be made out of aluminum, and aluminum absorbs heat like you would not believe, and we don't want that heat coming from the exhaust to go into the intake. That's the whole purpose of the intercooler, is to reduce the amount of heat going in there, condensing the air. So we'll go ahead and get these pieces tacked up, and I'll bring you right back for that.